Hello! Good evening po mga subscribers, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Olivia Canoy Balandang Mix Vlog.
Paki-subscribe naman ang YouTube channel ng aking kaibigan, Olivia Balandang, Olivia Canoy Balandang Mix Vlog. Ang link ng channel na ito, ilalagay ko sa description box ng video na ito. Paki-click lang. Asawa ito ng sundalo ko. Nagsama kami sa serbisyo dito sa Mindanao. Okay.
Hello sir, Makana sir. Thank you po sa tulong nyo at nagtagumpay ako sa aking vlog. Kasi po kung wala yung tulong mo, parang nasa 100 mahigit pa rin ang yung subscribers ko. Salamat po at salamat po, no? Thank you at nakuha ko na ang requirements nga 1K, mahigit pa. At nakuha ko rin ang watch hours 4,000 at mahigit pa. So thank you po. Shout out to Mads Puring, Toricampo, Aileen, Toricampo Guatno, and Ayana, Toricampo. So, shout out. Thank you for your subscription, no? Kayong tatlo, no? Bago sila, no? Hi. Hinaan lang natin. So many nights I'd sit by my window waiting for someone to sing me his song. So many dreams I keep deep inside me, alone in the dark, but now you come along and you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. Rolling and say, adrift on the water, cold at be finally, I'm turning for home. Finally a chance to say, hey, I love you. Never again to be all alone, and you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days At itong kanta na to, You Light of My Life, requested song ito ng habilabi ko, si Paul Balandang, and then also to my sister Ophil Canoy Pinyonal. Ito ang nirequest nila nga kanta. Salamat po!